Okay guys, quick update with Bitcoin. I'm currently in a long. I'll show you why this is the case. And if we get a next daily candle open above a certain point, I think we're probably bullish up to another target. I will give you those targets. If you watched the last video, guys, I told you your first point to short was 26,750. If we push above that, and I said you might actually want to wait and short 27,591. I'll put a link to this video now if you want to check it out. If you will notice, we pushed up and we got rejected right at 47,490. We are at a key support level 26,535. I'll show you why I think it's possible we have some upside from here. By the way, I said if you left a like, comment, and subscribe, I would pick the 2 coin winners from the previous video and this video. One of these 1 ounce silver Bitcoin coins. Same thing, guys. If you like, comment, subscribe to this video. In the following video, I'll pick the 2 coin winners from this video. Let's go on with this. I have a lot to cover here. Make sure you watch this all the way through. I'm currently in a long. So I longed right at 26,536. This is a very key support level. Again, I'll show you why this is the case. Guys, if you want to sign up to BitGet2Trade, the link is pinned in the first comment description. You can do up to 125 times leverage. Also, if you are located in the US, you'll probably need a VPN for BingX. BingX is another good exchange. You can do 150 times leverage. And CoinCatch is another one. You can do up to 125 times leverage, but there's no VPN, no KYC. So those are 2 options for you. Again, all those links are pinned in the first comment description. So let's go on. So again, I told you about this chart. I mentioned this in the last video, 27,490. So if you push up, your resistance is right at 27,414. The current key support is 26,535. I would like to see the next daily candle open above this to get bullish up to potentially 27,400. This is that chart. So this is the ring. Go back and watch previous videos. I mentioned this blue ring. So you can see this blue ring right here. I'm moving my price label, right? We're above that point. We're also above this red fib channel line. That is bullish as long as you're above 26,570. If the next daily candle opens below that point, then that will be bearish down to some lower targets. Now again, like I said, you can see right here, this, let me make this a little brighter so you can see it. This is our current resistance trend line here, and you can see we got rejected also here. Make this bigger so you can see that at 27,400. So again, that's why there's a lot of confluence around 27,400. This also matches the heat maps. You can just go to YouTube, type in Bitcoin book maps, and you can find that for yourself. But again, the key takeaway is 26,600 is a key support level. We hold above that. It's likely we're headed to around 27,400, but I would open a short at that point. And I already shared my stop loss entries and trigger orders in Discord. Okay, let's move on. This is just another chart in confluence. If we do push up a higher target, if we push above 27,400, likely to be 27,531. Notice you found support 26,527. That was your current support. Next support just below is 26,137. This also matches the heat maps. I'd like to point out this is a very important chart. Now, I already told you about this ring, guys. When we cross this ring, I expect the bull run to begin. But I would like to point out, if you notice, when we cross this orange ring, and just so you know, this is all 1 fib circle. See how to move it? Hold on, got to unlock it apparently. Let's see here, unlock, thank you. Okay, so this ring, notice I move it, it's 3 rings, 1 fib circle. Notice when we crossed this ring, we had one hell of a drop. Notice it was also support. So it is very likely. Now this ring here, we crossed it, kind of moved up it as resistance and then had a drop. But I'm just pointing out what happened previously. All right, this ring was support. It was support. We broke it and we had one hell of a drop. We're coming up on that next ring soon. Whether we go sideways, again, your 21-week moving average is setting right at 27,967. Let's just call it 28,000. Your current resistance right now, again, a lot of confluence around 27,400. But I'd like to point out, though, it is very possible, just like what happened here, we crossed this ring, had a hell of a drop. That could play out when we cross this ring. So be paying attention to this ring. I'll try to get a video up close to the time we cross this. But if you want to get access to this live chart, you can sign up to my website, get access. That link's pinned to the first comment description. So I want to point that out. Also, if you'll notice, we have a head and shoulders playing out. This is your left shoulder, head and right shoulder. This pretty much matches the indices. Notice the Dow Jones right here. You can see this looks like a head and shoulders playing out. This is your left shoulder, this is your head, and this is the right shoulder. You can see we just broke a key support level, 34,436. Mentioned that in the last video. If we do continue down, your next likely point to catch a bounce for the Dow is around 32,967. The DXY has just been pushing up and up and up. Your next major resistance for the DXY is around 106. So it is possible if we touch 106, or maybe we're already getting rejected from this point. But again, if the DXY continues down, it's possible we have some upside for Bitcoin. That's also why I'm in a long. Next current support level is 104.35. I would also like to point out, guys, so the reason I'm expecting a lot of downside, which might play along with this chart right here, mentioning that when we cross this ring, we could have a hell of a drop. This plays along into if you've been following the economy and what's been going on, this right here, let me zoom in a bit. So this is personal savings, percentage of disposable income, United States, from December 2015 to July 2023. If you notice, personal savings has been getting lower and lower and lower. Right down here is 0. So they're projecting probably by October, consumers are going to run out of savings. They're going to have no money. And if you'll notice, credit card balances in the U.S. have crested $1 trillion. So credit card debt has gone up while savings has gone down almost to 0. That on top of interest rates are sky high. Student loans start back on October 1st. You notice right here, 2020, when COVID happened, they put it on pause where people didn't have to pay the student loans. Now that starts back October 1st. So the shit is about to hit the fan. And I think this right here, this chart, again, when we cross this ring, that's when we actually see the shit hit the fan. Now we could have some upside. Again, like I said, the highest I think will go is probably 27,000. Well, let's just say 28,000. That'd be a great point to short. But I think a safer short entry would be around 27,400. And again, this is a fib channel line, guys. I just want to make sure you have all the targets. I mean, I can't know what's going to happen. I just have the targets to play. Your first point too short if you push up 27,346. If we continue up from this point, the next daily candle opens above 26,570. I will take profit before 27,346, maybe 27,200 around that point. If we push higher, this is the next fib channel line that would be resistance. We also have you see this wick up here at 28,134. I don't think we'll go that high. There's not that much liquidity up there. But again, I'm just showing you the key points. 27,400, great point to enter short if we push back up. Right now, I'm currently in a long, as I said, so I'm going to ride this up. You can see right here, I'm taking profit, 27,200. I have my trigger orders where I'm going to enter a short. Again, all this is posted in Discord. If you want to get access to Discord and the website to access these live charts, you can by signing up. The link's pinned in the first comment description. So that pretty much covers everything, guys. If I talk too fast, remember you can always put it on slow and play me back at half speed. So let's pick the coin winners, guys. Let me go to this right here. So the first coin winner, and again, guys, if you like, comment, subscribe. On this video and the following video, I'll pick the 2 coin winners from this video. I'm picking the 2 coin winners from the previous video now. And again, guys, if you want to sign up for Bigot, my link to sign up is pinned in the first comment description, as well as Bing and CoinCash. All right, so let's pick the winners. So the first winner is... let's see here, no replies. Continue. All right. Loading comments. All right. The first winner is Duff Fields. Oh, nice. Okay, that's the first winner. The second winner is George Emil. Thank you for the update. You're welcome. So listen, if you are one of the 2 coin winners, email me through the website. Just go to the website, go to the contact page. Email me through the website, say you're a coin winner, and then I will give you a code to go back and edit your comment. Email back, tell me you edited your comment. I will check it and confirm that you are the person that left that comment. And then I will get the coin shipped out to you. And we pay for shipping. Guys, do not fall for scams in the comment section. I will never leave you a comment asking you to contact me. Just email me through the website. That's pretty much it, guys. Just to recap really quick. I am in a long from 26,535. Next daily candle opens above that. We're bullish up to at least 27,400. That'd be an ideal point to short. And remember, guys, you can't get access to these live charts. Do pay attention to this chart here. I expect when we cross this ring, it's possible we could get a major move, just like we did back here at this ring. All right, guys, that's it. Trade safe, trade smart. I'm out.